What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of We Full Time, where we take our music passion and we turn it into a full-time career. So this video was requested by a subscriber, Iconics, if I said it right. Wants me to break down the XYFX button or effects. So what I'm gonna do in this video, I'm gonna show y'all how to sauce up y'all beats. Let's get started. Wait. And if you're new to this channel, that's a motto. Let's put in some work, baby. So let's just get straight to the point. The XYFX is nothing but an automation-based effect. All right, so there's a couple things that you want to know first and how to use it and record it. Because ultimately that's what you want to do. You're trying to sauce up your beats, you know, add a little filter, little low pass, little beat repeat, little tape stop here and there. So let me show you what you need to do. First, you need to know where the automation button is. The automation button is right here. It's green for read and it's red for write. All right, and to turn it off, you hold down shift and it's all the way off. Boom, you're good to go. You won't worry about messing up or recording automation when you thought it was off, because it will happen to you. It's happened to me a lot because these cue links control a lot of stuff. If you mess around and you're over here twisting the tempo or the volume and your automation is on right, man, it's gonna be over with. You're gonna be hot. Trust me, I've been there, done that. All right, so let's get started, right? So I got the beat. It's called Charting Up. It's the same one I used last time. Let me press play so y'all can kind of get a vibe for it. Let's go. All right, okay. Now, hear that guitar? I want to add a low pass filter to that. I'm gonna show y'all how to do that. All right, so let me stop this. All right, so you guys heard the beat. Now you need to figure out or want to know how to put the XYFX insert on this track, which is the guitar track. So you can press the XY button, you can click insert, but let me pause real quick. By default, the XYFX location is gonna go to the output 1 and 2. The only way that you'll be able to record that automation is if you're sending it to a mixer or your audio interface. That's the only way I've been able to do it. But if you're not doing that, you need to change this to program. So if you change it to program, right, and then click insert, click setup, then boom, you got it. But let me show y'all something real quick. If I click this I button right here, which is the channel mixer, it's gonna put that XYFX on insert number 1. I don't like that. I like to put it on insert number 4. So what I do is I delete it. This is the way I always do it. I just put it on there this way because I usually have other stuff, you know, like reverb or parametric EQ or something like that at the beginning. Harmonic is already open. That's where the XYFX is gonna be located. I'm gonna click select. Now I got it on insert number 4. So boom, I got that. Let's play that beat again. All right, so while it's playing, let me go to the XY. It's already on there now. I want to put a low pass filter on the XY, but let me show you something. You see this? That blue means that it is a beat synchronized effect. I want mine to be manual because I have more control over it. So let me click setup. I'm gonna change this from beat repeat low pass to low pass filter manual, right? So I'm gonna turn it off, start it from the beginning again. I'm gonna play around with it just to make sure I like the vibe that it's giving me. So let's see. Yeah, I like to keep mine low because the XY insert is based off of different parameters. You can change those by doing whatever you want. I don't like resonance in my effects. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let's record that, right? So what I'm gonna do is hit the overdub button. I'm gonna hit my automation button. Now it is on right. I'm gonna play from start and let's record this. All right, it's filtered. All right, turn off right, turn off overdub. Let's see if you're recording. Okay, hey, we got the guitar filtered. Yeah, we cooking with some grease now. Yeah. All right, now let me show y'all something, right? You might be like, oh yes, we got it on the verse break, it's filtered. They got a little catch that you need to pay attention to too. So I'm gonna go back to song mode, right? I'm gonna go to verse break. I'm gonna press play. What I'm listening for now is to see if this automation kills at the next sequence, which is the hook. Let's see if it does that. Because sometimes it won't. All right, let's listen. Is the guitar filtered? It is. That's not what I want. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop this, right? I'm gonna make sure the sequence is on hook. Now I'm gonna go to grid view. Now that I'm on grid view, let me show you how to turn off the automation on the hook. And you would do this for any sequence that automation bleeds over. You can do it this way, but I'm not a fan of using the step sequencer for automation. I like doing it via grid view. That way I know I did it. So you see this button right here in grid view, it opens up the velocity controls. But if you click the velocity control and make sure it's highlighted, I'm gonna show you that again. See, it's highlighted in red. I'm gonna click it down with the data dial. I'm gonna click add new. Now this is where the sauce comes in there, which you gotta pay attention to as well. I'm gonna go to program. Then I'm gonna go to the insert right here, insert 4, which is the XYFX. I'm gonna click that down. I'm gonna click enable. Make sure you click that. Now I have the ability and the control to turn that automation off at the beginning of the hook. So what I'm gonna do is click the pencil tool, turn it down, or turn it off. I'm gonna zoom out. Oh, it's already zoomed out. All right, so now that it's turned off, it should be working right. But when you think about it, you would be like, okay, it's gonna cut off because it's only for that sequence. Nah, sometimes it doesn't cut off. It leads into the next one. But that is how you turn it off. But let's double check and make sure in song mode. All right, it's filtered exactly where I want it. Now let's listen for the hook and see if it's unfiltered. Hey, yeah. Hey, man, we rolling. So that's pretty much the end of the tutorial when it comes to using the XYFX. Trust me, there are more ways to use this. It's pretty much limitless. You can automate anything that you want to with this thing. But like I said, man, stay up. Remember, we full time. And until the next one, man, I appreciate y'all, man, for definitely subscribing and liking the video. If you dislike the video, definitely let me know. I'm trying to get better at what I'm doing. We almost at 100, baby. We full time. I'm out.